Hey folks, Matt Edwards here with Vaught RV, and it is my pleasure, and I'm super excited about telling you about the new 2021 Jayco Jay Feather Micro. Okay, this is new this year for Jayco. It is an awesome little trailer. It is all fiberglass body. This is a 166 FBS. We do have a couple more in stock, but it has your power awning like all Jaycos do. Nice big outside speakers. You've got the aggressive Goodyear tires that are made in the United States and come with a 6-year warranty from Goodyear. You've got your MORryde step system. And the cool thing about this one is this has the new J-port griddle. 17-inch griddle that hooks up to your propane. You can cook bacon, you can cook asparagus, pancakes. Just a super cool little feature they have now. They give you a refrigerator right on the outside out here to keep the hot dogs, drinks, condiments in that one. And you've got storage. So down in here, it's got a full pass-through storage. You've got plugs down in here, nicely finished out like all Jaycos are. And of course, the Jayco comes with a 2-year factory warranty, 3-year structural. This unit's all key alike and also has a glacier package. So that way, if you want to do a little cold weather camping, you're able to, okay? She's also wired for your side cameras as well as your backup cameras if you want them. Now you'll notice a brush guard over here that helps out when you're going down those gnarly roads to keep the brush from getting on your trailer. It's not a step though. You've got your crank down stabilizers, magnetic holes up here on your lids. She comes with the bigger propane bottles and a power tongue jack. On this side over here, you've got your other access to the storage compartment, and you've got your kill switch right here to make sure all the power's turned off when you do park it for a little while. Now, I'll show you on the back of there's a ladder that does come apart, and you can actually put your ladder up here on that rail. So if you want to put a kayak, put an extra box up there, toys, you're able to actually get to that now, okay? So let's walk around the back real quick and I'll show you that ladder. So this ladder right here, of course you can use it to go up, but it'll also go on the other side and it hooks into that rail that's on the side over there. And during your walkthrough with our technicians, they'll show you exactly how to use that. Full-size spare tire with a beautiful mag wheel with it. It's got the Jayco lighting system on it. Now let's have some fun and go on the inside. Hey, boom, now we're inside. So I wanted to show you, this has the new Furrion 12-volt electrical refrigerator in there. And guys, this cools better. It has more volume in it. Plus it can actually run off of your solar panels, which this unit's already equipped with them on here, okay? 190 watt solar. Now storage, this is just on one side over here. Lots of places for groceries, kitchen utensils, pans, trays, whatever you want to bring with you. Okay, now over here, this is amazing. Look at the size drawers in the cabinet space you've got over here. That's a lot of storage. They put one sink up here with a cutting board, so that way you've got some more prep room up here instead of normally doing the 2 sinks, okay? Of course, you've got cabinet up here, and all Jaycos are all screwed in wood. This is real wood. With the 3-year structural, this thing will never come off the wall on you. Now, this unit doesn't have the oven because it's got the griddle outside, but you still have the 3 output burners up here from Furrion. Plus they got some cool lights. Okay, when we move over here to the entertainment side, you've got your Furrion TV over here, which you can access, you can see from the couch, or you can pull this button and move it over to the bed. And check this out, more storage back here, okay? And if you'll look up there, there's some of the units have coat rack or have clothes racks up here, so if you wanted to hang your clothes up in here, you can. Comes with the TV trays that pop into the cup holders, so that way you're able to sit in front of the TV or sit and eat. 4 big drawers again, right out here. I'm just amazed at all the storage this unit has. Plus, if you look over the bed, look how deep these are. And there's 4 of them over here. It's a lot of, you can carry a lot in this trailer. You've got your 2 windows over here on the side that open up. That way you can get that breeze coming through in the nice cool evenings. And something else underneath this bed that is really new is there's a lot of ways you can do this, okay? They've got 4 ottomans out here that you can kick up, put your feet on, plus again, more storage, okay? Now, if you didn't want these in here, of course, you could take those out and you could put the dog beds down there, okay? A lot of versatility in this trailer. And again, these just pop over here. It has the full couch for 3 people, plus it's a jackknife bed, so it'll pop out and 2 adults can sleep on here if need be, okay? You've got your USB ports and plugs everywhere around this trailer. You can always find some way to charge your phone or iPad. Now they do put a table right back here that if you want to take a table outside for your cooking, or you can set it up in here to have your dinner. More storage up here. It's such a well-built trailer. Like all Jaycos, you won't find any pressed wood in here because pressed wood gets wet, it falls apart. So everything Jayco has is plywood in here, okay? It does have the large AC in here that's ducted throughout. We've got our microwave. And last but not least, let's take a look at the restroom, okay? You've got the large shower in there, vanity, medicine cabinet, commode. And one thing I always have my customers do when they come in is step into the shower, okay? Jayco uses the plywood and 2x4s underneath here. So even a big guy like me, this thing doesn't sink down when I step onto it. Plus you've got room on the commode over here too. But look at that, medicine cabinet here. This trailer's just got a lot of options on it. Right now we have 2 of them in stock, I believe, and we've got a little bit bigger one in stock too that just came in. But give me a call. My email address is down there, my phone number. I'm happy to help y'all. I am a true RVer, so we've had a lot of campers throughout my 38 years of marriage, and we're a good wealth of knowledge for anything you might have a question for. Again, folks, thank y'all so much. Be safe out there, and God bless.
Thanks for watching our video. If you have any questions, be sure to drop a comment below. Or if you have any suggestions on content you'd like to see, we'd love to hear about that. Go ahead and give us a like and subscribe to our channel. Thanks again from VOD RV.